So that was my bad. The other elevators we came across over there, I don't know what letter they are, but they're not the B ones because these are the B elevators at Allegheny Valley Hospital in Natrona Heights, Pennsylvania. These are Otis mods, just like the A elevators. This is, what building is this? The 1917 building. So this is a very old building. Go to 3, here you go up. Too bad these are modded. I think this one was modded in 2019. I think the other one was modded in 2021. So unfortunately, these are pretty recently modded. These are probably something cool and old before. Here we are at 3. Go back down the ground. Something about 5 and 6. There's more. It's a basic AHN cab. Little LED lights. That's how you know this is a recent one because that's the AHN cab. Here back on the ground. It's a pretty busy area.